In front of me is Vivo Y16 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, you need to open Settings and scroll down. Then choose Shortcuts and Accessibility. Now tap on One-Handed section and click on this switcher next to Access mini screen using gesture to enable it. Then follow all of those instructions. You can bring the small screen out by sliding inward from the edge of the screen and then sliding out of the screen. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. You can close it by tapping on this X icon at the top right corner. In order to move it, you need to hold it and drag it. You can also resize it by tapping on this icon at the top left corner. In order to go back, click on the X again, and if you want to disable this feature completely, tap on the same No Blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!